Today we're going to offer a loving kindness or metta meditation. We're going to do an anahata mudra. Mudra just means the position of your hands. So taking your right hand, a nice easy fist, placing it at your heart. In your opposite hand, just touching the thumb and the forefinger together and placing that comfortably in your lap. I'm going to share on the screen some phrases that I'll be offering that you can say in your mind or out loud. All right, so taking a few breaths, finding your comfortable posture. You can close your eyes, or perhaps you can have a soft gaze or look at the words on the screen. I invite you to call to mind someone who is easy to love. It could be someone who's in your life right now or someone who's passed. It could even be a pet. But whoever it is, this being is very easy to love. There's no drama at all. Gaze upon this being as we offer words of loving kindness. May you be safe. May you be at peace. May you be healthy and live with ease. May you love and accept yourself freely. May you be happy and free from suffering. Take a deep breath here. And as you do, collecting all that loving energy from your heart, on your exhale, send all of your loving kindness to this being that is easy to love. I invite you now to call to mind someone that you know that is struggling. It could be someone you know closely or someone you know at a distance, but you know the person is struggling and you'd like to offer some loving kindness. So in your mind's eye, gaze upon this struggling person as we say, may you be safe. May you be at peace. May you be healthy and live with ease. May you love and accept yourself freely. May you be happy and free from suffering. Take a deep breath in here. Breathe right into the energy of your heart, gathering all of your loving kindness. And as you exhale, sharing that kind energy with the being who is struggling. So now there are three who are gathered in your meditation. The person who is easy to love, the person who is struggling, and you. Often it's so hard to show ourselves the love and kindness that we so readily give to others. So imagine that these two beings are gazing upon you with love as you offer these words of loving kindness to yourself. May I be safe. May I be at peace. May I be healthy and live with ease. May I love and accept myself freely. May I be happy and free from suffering. Take a breath here, all three of you gathered together. If there's a movement that you're imagining in your mind's eye, perhaps you join hands, but that's not necessary. Let the meditation be easy. Just taking a breath here into your heart, into the energy of loving kindness, holding that for a moment. Exhale, loving kindness. Pausing here for a moment. And just becoming aware of the room around you. And I invite you to open your eyes. Use this practice of loving kindness often to help generate not only loving kindness for others, but when you need some for yourself. I'll see you next time.